Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office Professional Plus using only Microsoft's official tools, legally and 100% free. Let's get started. First, let's create a folder on the C drive as our working folder. Open File Explorer and let's go to the C drive. Right-click on an empty space and choose New Folder and name it Office 2024 with no spaces. Next, open your browser and let's search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the official Microsoft link and let's download it. Once downloaded, let's open the downloaded file and run it. Check the license agreement and click on Continue. When it asks you where to extract, let's browse to the C drive and the Office 2024 and click on OK. Now we'll customize the install. Open a new tab and let's search for Office Customization Tool. From the result, let's click on the official Microsoft link. First, we need to pick an architecture. 64-bit is for most modern PCs, or 32-bit if you have an older PC. Under Products, let's click on the Office Suites dropdown and select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Next, pick the version you prefer. Usually, the latest one is the most stable one. Here, you'll see a list of apps. You can turn apps on or off, depending on what you actually need. For this demo, I'll select all the apps. Next, select the preferred language. I'll select English. And when you're done, click on the export button on the right. We need to select the exported file format. So let's select Office Open XML format and click on the OK button. Check the acceptance agreement and click on the export. This will download a file called configuration.xml. Let's go to the downloads folder, copy the configuration.xml and paste it in the Office 2024 we created earlier. And now let's run the installer. Click on the start button and let's type cmd. Right-click on the command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, let's type cd space c:\Office 2024 and press enter. This will put you inside the Office 2024 directory. So the next command runs from the correct location. And now let's type setup.exe space /configure space configuration.xml and press enter. This tells the Office Deployment Tool to install Office using the settings you just created. And now the installation will begin. It may take several minutes depending on your internet speed and selected apps. And it should be now finished. Let's open Excel or any Office apps you installed. If it launches without any problems, you're good to go. And that's how to install Office Professional Plus 2024 legally and 100% free. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tech videos like this. Thank you for watching.